how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly connect to a Wi-Fi network by scanning a QR code on your Android device. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. From there, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and tap on the QR code icon next to the Add Network option. At this point, your camera will open ready to scan. In the next step, point your camera at the Wi-Fi QR code and hold it steady. Following this, once the code is scanned, your device will automatically detect the network details. Once done, tap on Connect and your device will join the Wi-Fi network instantly without needing to type in any password. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you scan and connect to a Wi-Fi network using a QR code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.